This is an indoor grow light for your plants. Comes in a number of colors, black and white, 300 plus to 800 plus nm, 3 levels, 10 dimmable levels. And we're going to open up the box and show you what you get inside. The 3 levels of timer comes nicely packaged. It has a single light or a dual light, stands 30 plus inches in height minimum to a maximum of 63 inches plus in height. We have the assembly of the light. We have the main head of the light fixture, and we have the bottom lead we're going to simply pull through, screw down, tighten down. With one of the poles with the thread on the top and the open thread on the bottom, you're going to snake the lead through. Pull up, screw down the base. You have the option to put the pole down short, medium, and tall. We're going to install the next lead. Pull up enough cable as needed and screw down. Going to place the base down to the floor. Snaps into place. Twist to lock into place. We're going to lift the base and take away the slack and lock down into place the rest of the bar. The light stands as high as 63 inches, as low as 31 inches. The controller stands at 3 inches length on the cable. Easy to access and change your timer. We're going to show the light being on blue, and the gooseneck could be turned down and turn the light on. We're going to increase and decrease the light levels of 10 levels. And we're going to increase the 10 levels. And we're going to hit the timer. 3 on blue, 9 on green, and 12 on red. The aluminum alloy poles manually adjust to the height you need from 31.5 inches to 63 inches. It has 380 nm to 800 nm, 72 high efficiency LEDs with the grow light. You could dim down the amount of light. You could set the timer from 3, 9, or 12 hours, a 24-hour cycle. This is a grow light for windows that do not get enough sun to give your plants light all day long. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for in your household plant needs, a grow light. Thank you for viewing and enjoy your product.